Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Nur Fajr Anggreni with NPM 234111665. Management class 23C. Course Business Mathematics. 1. Understanding consumer supplies and producer supplies. 2. Function of consumer supplies and producer supplies. 3. Types of consumer supplies and producer supplies. 4. Clarification of consumer supplies and producer supplies. 5. Example question and answer. Consumer supplies and producer supplies are two important consumers in economics, especially in welfare analysis. Here the meaning. 1. Consumer supplies. Consumer supplies is the difference between the maximum amount consumers are willing to pay for a good or service and the amount they actually pay. This is a measure of a consumer's economic well-being or the profit they obtain from purchasing those goods or services. 2. Producer supplies. Producer supplies is the difference between the amount produced actually received from the sale of goods or service and the minimum amount they are willing to expect. It is a measure of the profit or economic well-being of the produce. When the market is in equilibrium, consumer supplies and producer supplies and output maximum, which meaning overlays economic wealth is also maximum. 2. Consumer supplies and producer supplies have an important function in economy analysis and business decision-making. Here are some of its main functions. 1. Consumer supplies. Consumer supplies profits a measure of the extent to which consumer benefits from their transaction. It can be asset to asset market effective from the consumer's perspective and can also be asset to asset the impact of price control tax subsidy acts on consumer welfare. 2. Producer supplies. Producer supplies profits a measure of the extent to which a producer profit from trade transaction. It can be asset to asset market effecting from the producer purchase and can also be asset to asset the impact of change in price producer constant tax subsidy acts on producer welfare. Overall, consumer supplies and producer supplies are asset to access economy wealth and market effecting. They can also be asset to asset the implies. Consumer supplies and producer supplies are intrinsically unequal concepts and do not have distinct types. However, the way they are constructed and applied may vary depending on the context. 1. Consumer supplies. In some cases, consumer supplies can be constructed by looking at the difference between the maximum price consumers are willing to pay and the market price. In other cases, it may be sent to construct other functions such as the effect of tax of subsidy. 2. Producer supplies. Just like consumer supplies, producer supplies can be calculated by looking at the difference between the market price and the minimum price that producers are willing to expect. However, in some cases might be necessary to consider other factors such as producer costs or effect of taxes or subsidy. So, will consumer supply and producer supply are entries quantities compress the way they are cleansed. Profit her clarification on consumer surplus and producer surplus. 1. Consumer surplus. This is the difference between the maximum amount consumers are willing to pay for a good or service and the amount they actually pay. So, if a consumer is willing to pay for a book, but they only pay, then try consumer surplus is this is a mixture of the extra profit or station that the consumer get from the transaction. 2. Production surplus. This is the difference between the amount production actual received from the sale of good or service and the minimum amount they are willing to expect. So, if a producer is willing to sell a box of but they actually sell it well, then the producer surplus is a mixture of extra profit or station that the producer obtained from the transaction. Question: a consumer is willing to pay rupiah on handle for a book, but the manager to solve the problem for rupiah 80. A producer is willing to sell the book for Rp 60, but he manages to sell it for rupiah 80. What is consumer surplus and producer surplus?